Hey everybody, this is Dr. Milligan. This is your weekly video for Tech 076 3D modeling. On the slide you can see my name, my phone number, my extension, and my email address. You'll also see my office hours, so if you're having trouble, please come and see me during office hours, or if these times are not convenient, just let me know and we can meet at another time. One thing I do want to remind you of, emails. I teach 5 different classes. So when you send me an email, please make sure that you put your full name and the name of the course. So that way I will know which course you're in and how I can best help you. Make sure you include the lesson title and the number. And please make sure you use your best spelling and punctuation. Emails are a form of business communication. Please do not send me emails in text talk. And finally, make sure that you sign your name. Just some reminders, you know that you need to log your attendance every day. Your learning coach needs to log your attendance. You must log at least 6 hours for school every day. And just make sure that you check your course announcements regularly. We do not meet on a regular basis, so the best way that I can communicate with you is through course announcements and these videos. So please make sure that you're checking regularly for announcements and weekly videos. Although class connects are not required for my classes, please make sure that you attend all required class connects for your English and math, science, and history courses. So what's happening this week? August the 26th, you have a project due, and I've had some questions about that, and hopefully I'm going to address some of those concerns. August the 27th, you have a quiz, 1.09 quiz. Make sure that you have studied the unit material very well before you take the quiz. August 28th, lesson 2.01, a little bit of the history of 3D modeling. August 29th, lesson 2.02, modeling and animation. And then Friday, August 30th is catch-up day. And then September 2nd is Labor Day. We have no school. And I bet you're excited about that. I am. Okay, just a note about quizzes. You get 3 attempts. Your highest score counts. So if you didn't do well on a quiz, go back and review the material again, and then take the quiz again. Please don't use all 3 attempts back to back without taking time off to study in between your attempts. So 3 attempts, your highest score counts. Okay, I've received some emails from some students who are a little bit nervous about this class. If you feel like this cat in this picture, you're okay. You're not alone. A lot of people are feeling nervous about this class, but please do not feel nervous. I'm here to help you. It's going to be good. It'll be challenging. I'm not going to say that it's not going to be challenging, because it is, especially if you are not, really that artistic. You might find things a little bit uncomfortable that you have to do. So right now, breathe in, breathe out, and just relax. So let's go ahead and get started. So your project 1.07 details. This is actually in lesson 1.07, but I wanted to just clarify a couple things for you. You're going to draw a room or an item in your house. So if I were you, I would choose an item. I wouldn't attempt to draw an entire room. I would also choose something that was square, like your desk, okay? Because you're going to be really representing this item in squares. So choose one item in your house, something square, kitchen table, desk, whatever works for you, and you have to draw the item in an orthographic view. Now you may be wondering what that is. If you've gone through this assignment, you know what that is, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. You can represent your drawing on paper with a pencil being used, or any kind of graphic tool of your choice. If I were you, I would just use a pencil and paper. If you have graph paper, so much the better. The assignment actually calls for you to label the perimeters and the area. You don't have to do that. I'm not really going to be looking for that. I do want you, however, to submit with your drawing, submit a photo of your actual object. So if you choose to draw your kitchen table, please send me a picture of your kitchen table, preferably from all the views that you represent in your project. Please do not forget to submit a written reflection of this activity. I will be looking for that as well, that you'll be graded on that. So these are your project details from project 1.07. So what in the world is orthographic view? An orthographic view is when a 2D drawing is used to represent a 3D object. You are going to be drawing an object from multiple points of view, top, bottom, and side. So that is what orthographic view drawing is. So I do have a quick little video I was going to show you that might simplify things a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. We're going to watch this little quick video. It's about 2 minutes.
An orthographic drawing is used to represent a three-dimensional object using several two-dimensional views. So how do you make an orthographic drawing? In this example, I'll be drawing a three-dimensional object made of blocks that snap together. To keep it simple, think of each block as a basic cube. Here's the example object. This is the front view, the right side, and this is the top view. Graph paper is helpful to draw the different views. From this perspective, here is the front of the object. It looks like this. For the front view, I'll draw 4 blocks up and the green block on the side. Next, I'll draw the right side view. It looks like this. It's the same height as the front view, so I can draw reference lines over. This can be done for any details that line up on different views. The right side is 4 blocks up, and 1 block over for the red bottom block. Lastly, I'll draw the top view. It looks like this. The top view is the same width as the front view, so I can draw reference lines up. This is the blue block, the green block, and the red block. And now the orthographic drawing is complete. Using this basic technique, even very complicated three-dimensional objects can be accurately represented.
Do you see now why I told you to choose something square? It's just much easier to draw blocks than it is to draw anything with curves. Okay, so what is next? So I just went online and I got a couple of examples of some orthographic drawings. Now this could actually be of a sectional sofa. Notice we have the top view, the front view, and the right side view. And this is an orthographic drawing of a chair. We have the top view, side view, and front view. Now, of course, I don't expect yours to be this complicated. I'm just looking for blocks. That's all I'm looking for. This is just an example. So simply do the best that you can. I do not expect perfection on this. I just expect your best effort.